Okay, so this is the blood pump machine. Basically, it's something you use to spray pesticides. We filled it with a water-based food color and basically Kool-Aid. So anyways, what happens is ideally when you're doing this, you want to keep the tank so that you can pressurize the air. The air pressure in there is what's going to drive the fluids out. As you can see, it's hooked up to polyvinyl tubing, which is then attached to an actor, or in this case, Frank. The incisions and cuts are placed in there. You can tell that we've actually tried this before. And the idea is you attach the polyvinyl tubing to it with an O-ring screw. And when you go down to pressurize it, you need to pressurize it to the point where you almost can't plunge anymore. So you want to get as much air pressure in there as possible. While Brennan is doing that, you can see when you pressurize it properly just how far it can spray. So the next step is, after you have primed it or charged the tank, then you need to prime the line. Make sure that your handle is actually locked in place when you start this. You just want to prime the line first. So the line has been primed, the tank is charged. We're going to do a straight shot first, just letting the blood spray out of the tube. Go ahead. And as you can see, it gets quite a little distance. Now you can get more explosive distance if the individual who is charging it rocks the tank slightly. Rocking the tank and then pumping causes it to get oxygen inside the line. Those air bubbles push it out more vigorously. And that is how blood rigging works. On a side note, it's a good idea to actually drain before you try to open it up, because it's under a lot of pressure. So even after you're done with your blood, make sure that you depress the trigger and empty the chamber so that the pressurized gas is no longer in the tank.
Oh, he's taking a shit. Okay.
Who, Odin is?
He's just shitting right there.